Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to split a page vertically in half in Microsoft Word. We will cover two direct methods to get this done quickly. The most efficient way is to use the columns feature. Highlight the text you want to split. Navigate to the Layout tab at the top of your screen. Click on Columns and select More Columns from the drop-down menu. Choose the To option. If you want a visible line separating the text, check the box labeled Line Between. Click OK. Your text is now perfectly split into two vertical halves. If you need more manual control over exactly where specific paragraphs go, use a 2x1 table. Go to the Insert tab, click Table, and create a grid with two columns and one row. Paste the first half of your text into the left cell and the rest into the right cell. To remove the grid lines, click on the Table Design tab, open the Borders menu, and select No Border. To add a visible separator line, simply apply a right border to the left cell. Both methods give you a clean, professional layout, depending on your formatting needs. If this guide helped you, subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.